everybody. Fireworks over there. I'm gonna try to zoom in. Oh my God. Look, there's one right there. There's one over there. There's millions over there. Guys, there's literally a red one bursting. Uncle Sasha, there's literally a red one bursting over there. Red one. Look, a red one.
So close.
Oh, look at this one. It's the red bursting.
Oh my God.
I saw one bursting.
No, don't drop it.
There's a mountain, a hiking mountain over there. Guys, look, there's someone over there. Dude, I gotta record this for my vlog.
Me too.
This is so cool. Hi! Holy immaculate, guys. This is so cool. Look at those fireworks. That is just gorgeous. Got people over there everywhere. Let's go. Woo! By popping. Woo! By popping over there. Over there. Look how sick that is, boy. That is just immaculate. Woo! Dude, we're going to Disney Cruise. Is this a castle or what? I got so much more it doesn't even make sense. How the heck are we not able to do fireworks, but like there are?
Millions of people doing it across the city.
Dude, I just saw one burst. Woo!
Some are feeling it. That one right there. I need to keep an eye on this area. This area has a lot of fireworks in their base.
Yeah. Oh, there's also some over there. Where'd you get the some in the city? I'm gonna brighten this on my phone so you guys can see better. Look how sick that is. Woo! See those ones over there in the distance.